Okay, we're going to sew this together, and if you don't get it just right, it's going to look funny if if that rooftop doesn't match just perfect. So I'm going to show you my trick, and let me pull up my houses. Oh, sorry.
That's right.
Right here, and right here, and right here. You've got several of them, several points that you want to come out perfectly. And look, I didn't do this twice. I did it with my magic trick. So let me show you how I do that. First, we're going to take our two pieces, put them together, and I like to put a pin in this back in the. This will be the last seam. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a pin right there in that corner and make sure it comes out. Oops, it didn't. Make sure it comes out in the other corner. Right there. Okay. And we're just going to pin that normal, just like you would normally do that. And we won't need to pin this first one because we're going to use our hand, but we need to pin right here and right here to get those to come out perfect. So my trick is, and I looked this up because one time I had to do this and I did it like 5 times and it didn't work. So I'm going to put the pin right here at this intersection, and I want it on the low side. You know how the fabric is folded over on the top side? I've got it in the low side there. Then I'm going to put it in the low side of this other one. Can you see all right, Jen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to put it in the low side and ooh, I hit it that time. Usually I don't, but right there in that seam. Okay, now stand the pin straight up and down. Take another pin, come in at it from an angle. So somewhere, you could do there, but there's a big seam there, so I like to come at an angle. And I want this pin to poke out exactly. You see how it's moving this pin around? I want it to pop right out of that exact hole there. And then I'm going to remove this one. And then when I stitch, I'm going to stitch right to where that pin is. Okay, let's do this one. Put it right in the seam. And right there, you see on the paper, there, stand it up straight. And then come at it. That's a sorry pin. Just don't use that one. Throw that away later. Come back, come out right at that pin. Okay, is that all we need on this one? Okay. So now, the great reveal. Let's see if it works. If it doesn't, we'll re-video. Okay, when I get to that pin, I'm going to stitch right up to it, and right when I get to it, I'm going to pop it out right there. So it held it all together till right at the very last minute. Here I come. I'm going to slow down, pull it out right before I hit that spot. And this pin just holds everything together nicely. All right, here's the great reveal. Let's see. What do you think?
It's perfect.
Came out nice, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So same thing here. Tear off the paper and press it to the rooftop, to the darker rooftop. Okay, I hope yours comes out nicely too.